Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Radhika and you're watching Healthy Woman here. Eating healthy and adapting healthy lifestyle has become the need of the hour. In this current situation, it's become very important to stay healthy, especially for the kids and the elderly people. One of the important source of proteins and vitamins are nuts and seeds. We need to consume these nuts and seeds on a daily basis, but sometimes we tend to forget. Especially feeding these to the kids becomes very difficult. We all know how choosy these kids become while eating food. So today I am going to share a very quick and easy recipe of these protein laddus, or you can say dry fruit laddus, which I made for my 1.5 years old kid. And believe me, he loves them and eats them on his own. So let's see the recipe of these yummy protein laddus. So let's start the video and see the recipe of these yummy protein laddus. Don't forget to see the video till the end, as I am going to share few tricks in between the video and at the end of the video.
To make dry fruit laddus, we'll need following items. Take 10 to 12 numbers of black raisins. I have preferred black raisins over brown because these are more naturally made. Next, take 6 to 8 numbers of walnuts. Next, take 10 to 15 numbers of pistachio, green pistachio. Use unsalted pistas. I have taken pistas with skin. You can prefer without skin as well. Take 3 to 4 numbers of dried figs. These are very good source of iron and also act as a binding agent in this recipe. Take a generous amount of cashews, as they are very rich in fiber and heart healthy fats. I have taken broken cashews. You can take whole cashews and break them into pieces. Take 10 to 12 numbers of seedless dates. As we all know, dates have an excellent nutritional profile and also act as a natural sweetener. I have added almonds, raisins, fig, cashew, pistachio, walnut and dates. You can also add other dry fruits like prunes, apricots, which are a good source of potassium and calcium. You can also add seeds like pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, watermelon seeds, etc. to make it more healthy. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of ghee. As I am making it for my kid, I am using generous amount of ghee. You can avoid using ghee and just dry roasting the dry fruit. Now we'll saute all the dry fruits in the ghee one by one separately. Remember, we don't have to burn the dry fruit. We just have to saute them till they become crunchy and the moisture content of the dry fruits are removed. I have added those dry fruits which my son eats and have no allergies of. But the dry fruits may not be restricted to these. Depending upon one's choice and taste, you can try out various combination of dry fruits and also seeds. But yes, please take care of allergies to certain nuts and seeds. All our nuts are sauteed and ready to cool down. See how crunchy these nuts have become. You can simply crush them in mortar and pestle, or you can grind them in a mixer. But do not grind them in a paste form. We have to keep it little coarse so that it will be crunchy while eating. Now in the same pan, add dates and figs. You can directly add dates and figs to the mixture while grinding, but I prefer sauteing them in the ghee. Saute them till they become gooey and soft. See how the mixture has started becoming soft and sticky. Once the mixture is completely soft, add the grounded mixture into this. Saute it for a couple of minutes or till it changes color. Mix it properly so there are no lumps in the mixture. See, the mixture has changed the color and it's ready. Take a plate and apply ghee to it. Applying ghee will prevent sticking of the material to the plate. Now spread the mixture on the plate so that it cools down. Now you can cut them in desired shapes or you can make balls out of it. But if you want to make ball, make sure that you make it when the mixture is warm. If you let it cool down completely, the mixture will become hard. See how nicely the laddus are taking shape and not even breaking. Here are our dry fruit laddus ready to eat. You can offer them to your kids in different manner. You can wrap it in golden paper and offer as toffees. Dip it in chocolate syrup and offer as treat. You can also offer it along with milk. Not only kids, but everyone in the house can eat them. They are completely healthy and protein rich. No artificial sweeteners are used. So try this recipe and enjoy.
And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and please subscribe to Healthy Womania.